Mơ ơi, stand up and hug in. Come on. How are you? We miss you so much. Can you tell me what did you draw?
I drawing is zebra.
And how many zebras are there?
Is one.
I draw one zebra. And what else did you draw?
I draw flower. And teacher.
Thank you. What color is the teacher hair?
Gray.
Teacher hair is red.
Teacher hair is gray.
Good job. Okay. And what else did you draw here?
I draw the sun and ground.
What color are they? I draw the
I draw the sun.
yellow sun.
Yellow sun. I draw the blue ground.
Very good. Good job. All right, bravo. What are you drawing?
I draw
What is that?
zebra.
Yeah, but what is that?
Sun.
The sun? What is this coming out from the sun? Sunshine? Sunshine. It is sunshine. What color is the zebra?
Is pink and black.
Which part of the zebra is black? Which part is it?
Tummy.
The tummy is black. And which part is blue? The mane. And which part is black here? Black and blue at the same time. Good job. And which part is what color is it?
Blue and pink.
Blue and pink. That is very funny, lovely zebra. I like it. Okay, can you tell me what the zebra have? What is this black one called? How do you call this black one? The stripes. Yes, so the zebra had the black and white stripes. Cool. You can draw something else for the zebra. What does the zebra eat? Very good. They eat grass. Draw them grass, please. What is it? What animal is it? It's the zebra. What color is the zebra?
Black.
And
Blue.
and
Pink. Green.
is it the shoes? It's the zebra hoof. The zebra hoof. We don't call this one is the foot. We call hoof. Okay? Okay, so what colors are her ears?
Black and blue.
Blue and pink too. Okay, can you tell me what is this called? Stripes.
Black.
Black stripes. What color is the tail?
Blue and black.
Oh, it looks the same like a zebra? Yeah, it looks very similar. And very similar sand. Okay, what does the zebra eat?
Grass.
They eat grass. Can you draw some grass and some butterfly flying around? One butterfly and some grass so the zebra can eat. I am a tree and I stand so tall. I have great big branches and little branches small. When the wind blows left, when the wind blows right, I keep my branches strong with all of my might. I am a tree and I stand so tall. I have great big branches and little branches small. How? Bees can build a hive. Birds can build a nest. My branches stay strong. I always try my best. Thằng ơi, I am a tree and I stand so tall. I have great big branches and little branches small. Okay, the little branches small. Rain makes me strong and snow makes me bright. I grow all the seasons, all 4. I love the earth and the earth loves me. I am a tree and I stand so tall. Okay, good job. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Faster! Go! Come on, come on, come on! 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Faster!